Tired of leads disappearing into thin air after the initial contact? In the next 90 seconds, we're going to transform your follow-up game from frantic to fantastic. Step 1. Personalize, personalize, personalize. Ditch the generic email. Research your lead, understand their pain points, and tailor your message specifically to them. Show them you've actually listened. Step 2. Systemize your follow-up. A CRM is your best friend here. Schedule reminders, track interactions, and ensure no lead falls through the cracks. Consistency is key. Step 3. Multichannel approach. Don't rely solely on email. Try a phone call, a LinkedIn message, or even a personalized video. Different people respond to different communication styles. Step 4. Time your follow-up strategically. Don't be a pest, but don't wait too long either. A good rule of thumb is to follow up within 2,448 hours of initial contact, then again a week later, and then space it out further. Step 5. Provide value with every touch point. Offer helpful resources, answer questions thoroughly, and demonstrate your expertise. Make them feel like they are talking to a professional. Implement these 5 steps, and watch your close rates soar. Now go out there and follow up like the absolute boss you are. Don't forget to subscribe for more sales boosting strategies. #sales strategy, #client engagement.